welcome everybody to El Loro, the only pirate ship in Miami. How's everybody doing? How's everybody feeling? Are we ready? Yep. Welcome aboard. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Eric, and today I will be your tour guide, DJ, and first mate. Before we start, we're going to give you a few safety rules, okay? This is very important, so we need 100% of your attention right now. In case of an emergency, which is actually very unlikely, we've never had any actually, life jackets will be right behind the door, in the front between the bathrooms, also in the bar under the seat. Please do not stand up
La diversión en Versailles es demasiado, es muy rico.